purpose of programming language? Programming language purpose is to develop a software. Fine, good. What is a software? Software is nothing but a set of programs. Software is nothing but set of programs which is used to perform a task. Which is used to perform a multiple tasks. Software is a set of programs which is used to perform multiple tasks. What is Java? Java is a programming language. What is program? What is the purpose of programming language? Programming language purpose is to develop the software. And then what is the software? Software is nothing but set of programs to perform multiple tasks. Set of programs to perform multiple tasks. What is a program? Program is a set of instructions. Program is nothing but what? Set of instruction. Okay. Yes. Then, but by seeing this diagram, what we guess, Java is a programming language, right? Later I changed the definition of Java, guys. Later we change the definition of your Java. If anyone asks Java, what you will say, guys? If anyone asks what is Java, what is your answer? If anyone says what is Java, what is your answer? Good, Dattatreya. Good. It is programming language only. It is programming language only, but it is interacting with objects. We are interacting with objects. That's why it is called as an what? Java is an object-oriented programming language. What is Java, guys? Java is an object-oriented programming language. If anyone asks what is Java, remember, guys, if anyone asks what is Java, simply you can say that what? Java is an object-oriented programming language. Because your Java is always interacting with users, objects, number of the objects. Java is always interacting with number of objects at that time. That's why it is called as an what? Object-oriented programming language. Okay, that's why it is called as an object-oriented programming language. So remember, guys, if anyone asks what is Java, simply you can say that. So Java is a object-oriented programming language. And your Java has a feature. What are the features we have in Java in the sense? Observe the features. Java is a case-sensitive programming language. Java is case-sensitive programming language. Means what? Whatever the cases we are taking, small case means we have to take in small case only. Import, small letter only. Capital letter if you write, both are not same. So that's why we will call as what is your Java is case-sensitive programming language. Whatever the cases we use, we have to use with the same case, not other cases. And your Java is a platform independent programming language. And your Java is what? Platform independent programming language. Platform independent means what? We can develop our application. Write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere applications. And Java we have three different options are available: JSC, JWE, JME. JSC indicates that. Guys, what is the full form of JSC? What is the full form of JSC? Guys, what is the full form of JSE? Everyone, guys. JSE indicates that what? Java Platform Standard Edition, guys. Observe Java Platform Standard Edition. JW Java Platform Enterprise Edition. JME Java Platform Mobile or Micro Edition. JSM is Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java Platform Mobile or Micro Edition. Java Platform Mobile or Micro Edition. Of course, in JSC, what we have? Core Java Plus, your JDBC concept will come. In JW, Servlet JSP comes. So Core Java is one separate part, and JDBC, Servlet JSP, this is called Advanced Java with database communications. Java with database is called as your Advanced Java, guys. This Core Java itself, again, we are dividing into two partitions, guys. Someone video is on, stop video, guys. Someone video is on, stop video. Yes. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss, guys, in Python. Remember, in Python, sorry, in Java. In Java, we have two types, guys. In Java, in Core Java itself, again, we have two parts will come, guys. In Core Java itself, again, we are dividing into two parts. One is a technical part, second one is advanced topics. Technical part, second one is advanced part. Okay, so we are not going to discuss your advanced Java topics, guys. So JDBC, Servlet, JSP, Java server pages, guys. JSP indicates that Java server pages. JDBC indicates Java database communication or connectivity, Java database connectivity, Servlet, JSP, this entire thing advanced Java. But our target is what? First we have to learn Core Java, right? Once you are good in the Core Java, then only we have to go for advanced Java. So if you want to learn Core Java, your Core Java is again classified into two partitions, guys. Basic part and advanced topics. Basic topics, advanced topics. Core Java itself divided into two parts. Basic topics, advanced topics. Remember, basic topics and followed by advanced topics, guys. Under basic topics, I'm going to discuss about tokens, data types, variables, how to write the logics. Our major focus is on what, guys? Logics, programming part. We will discuss theory along with the theoretical part. Yes, we are going to discuss what, guys? Practical session. Because tomorrow if you go to company, what is required? Programs required. Practical part is required. That's why, yes, we are focusing on practical session. We are discussing on practical session as well as some advanced topics also. So the basics means this is the basics, guys. What is Java? Java is a case sensitive. Java is a platform independent language. Okay. And then Java is called as an what? Object oriented programming language. This is your basics of Java, guys. Okay. Now coming to your tokens concept, guys. Let's come to your tokens topic. Today we are going to discuss about what? Tokens concept, guys. Today we are going to discuss about tokens concept. Now let's observe tokens concept. I think is it clear? Yes. Okay. So my way of my way of teaching is like this. Okay. If you're interested, continue. Otherwise, you can leave today. Guys, remember, guys, practical sessions are required to all, right? So theory, of course, I will give you the theory along with the practical also. I will give you the theory along with the practical. So theory will continue along with the practical also. Theory will continue along with the practical. Those who are interested, sir, I don't want practical, you don't say anything, just explain yourself, I will just watch. Not record you guys, you can leave today happily and you can go join with any other batch. Those who want to attending completely practically needs, whenever I'm giving the task, able to follow the task. Guys, remember guys, so those who are able to follow me, just follow me guys. Means whenever I'm giving the task, just yes, I'm able to do the task, sir. Yes, I'm able to work. Then continue with me guys. If you're not interested, now itself you can leave guys. Don't disturb at middle itself. Okay? Don't disturb at middle itself. Now, yeah, just a minute guys. Now first part is what guys? Tokens, right? The basic part, tokens, right? Then let's go for tokens guys. First concept is what? Tokens. Now let us have a tokens. So what is the tokens? You can observe what is a token. Tokens means, remember guys, what is a token? Token means the smallest, or else the programming element. Tokens are programming elements which are used to develop Java programs. Observe everyone guys, what is the tokens? Tokens are the programming elements which are used to develop. Tokens are the programming element which are used to develop Java programs. So if you want to develop any Java program, you need some programming element. Those programming elements are nothing but tokens guys. Okay. Tokens are programming elements which are used to develop Java programs. So we have different types of tokens guys. Observe. We have different types of tokens. So what are the different types of tokens? They are, the first one is what? Yes. We have different types of tokens. The first one is literals. Second one is called as constants. Third one is called as first one is what guys? Literals. Second one is called as what guys? Constants. Third one is called as operators. Fourth one is called as what guys? Keywords. And the fifth one is called as in what? Identifiers. Observe. So everyone observe, guys. Your tokens are classified into five categories. The first one is called as in literals. Second one is called as in constants, operators, keywords, identifiers. These are the five types, guys. Literals, constants, operators, keywords, identifiers. These are the five types which we have, guys. These are five types which we have. Okay, in that one, first one is what? So the first one is literals. Oh, let's discuss about the literals. So what is a literal? Now have a look, guys. Literals means what, sir? Okay, yeah. So what is the literal means? Simply we can say that the values in our program, is called as literals, guys. The values in our program is called as literals. Remember, the values in our program are called as what is literals. In our program, what are the values we have in our program? What are the values we have? Those values are technically called as what, guys? Literals. The values in our program is called as what? Literals. So values means, so values are nothing but the data. Guys, without values, are you able to do any operation? Without data, are you able to do any operation? Think, if you want to file from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or display the employee information, display the student information, okay, book the ticket, cancel the ticket, place the order, whatever the operation it may be. Without data, are you able to do any operation? Compulsory, what is required? Data is required, right? Yes. So these values means what? Your data means values. So we have different type of data, right? Yes, based on different types of values. Remember, guys, based on different types of data. Literals are classified into, observe, guys, literals are classified into, okay, totally five types. Literals are classified into five types. So what are the five types literals classified? The five types are what? Someone video is on, stop video, guys. Fine, good. The first one is what? The first one is what? Integer. Integer literals. Second one is what? Floating literals. Third one is what? Character literals. Fourth one is what? String literals. And fifth one is what? Boolean literals. Observe, guys, based on the different type of data. So Boolean literals, based on different type of data. Yes, your literals are classified into five categories, guys. Your data is classified into five categories: integer literals, floating literals, character literals, string literals, and then fifth one is what is Boolean literals. And then fifth one is what? Boolean literals. These are the five types of literals which we have. Observe: integer, floating, character, string, and then Boolean literal. These are the 5 types of literals which we have, guys. 5 types of literals which we have. So integer literals means what? Observe. Integer literals. Only integer part, guys. Means all your numbers, whatever the numbers we have, all your numbers comes under your integer literals. For example, I am asking that what, guys? Age of a student. I am asking what? Age of a student. Guys, if I ask age, if you ask age of any candidate, what is the answer you are going to get, guys? Age of a candidate. If you ask anyone, what is your age? What is the answer you are going to get? Around. Everyone. Sub 18, 20, 22, 25, 28, 30, 15. Guys, always you are going to get integer number, right? Are you going to get any floating number? Sir, my age is so 22.2217. Okay, and did you get the number value? No, right? Always you are going to get, sir, what is your age? Sir, my age is 18, my age is 22, something. You are going to get what? Age. Observe age 22. Observe no floating value, no points. If there is no points, then it is called as an integer literal. If I ask what is your token number, whenever you go to line, guys, token number, because they are giving token numbers, right? They are going to give token number. What is your token number? Then observe, we'll say, what is your token number? Sir, 5, sir, 6, 7, 3, 20, 100. We will get always what? Integer value or floating value? We are getting integer value or floating value? Yes, always integer value. 5, sir. We never get, sir, 5.5, sir. In between 5 and 6% I available, sir. I just went outside, sir. So my number is 5.5, sir. There, sir. There, sir. No place for you. Token number means only 5, 6, 7. Order 5. Age 22. Token number is 5. Employee ID. I'm asking what is employee ID? 101, 102, 103. Like we have an employee IDs. At the time, sir, my employee ID is 106. Observe, all are what, guys? Your integer number. And as well as, observe, guys, here I am taking one more. Hall ticket number. Especially your 10th class hall ticket numbers, observe, guys. So all 77632 some. This is my hall ticket number, guys. Are you getting any floating value in hall ticket number? Are you getting any floating value in hall ticket number? No, right? So like we are getting values like this, right? So this is called as what, guys? Like this is called as what? Your integer literal. Always observe, guys. Always observe what the result, the values. Guys, don't check the age, token number, hall ticket. You have to focus on what? Values. Your focus is on what, guys? Values. Focus what? Values. This is the value 22. Integer literal 106. It is called as an integer literal. This one is called integer literal. That is called what? Integer literal. For example, I'm asking what is the height of a student? What is the height of a student? Guys, height means what we'll say now floating values comes. Whenever I said height, so whenever I said height, h equal to, so the height is 5.8, sir. Or sir, height equal to 5.0, sir. What is the petrol cost? What is the petrol cost? So the petrol cost is 82 rupees 36 paise. I don't know guys exactly the rate. I'm just mentioning some dummy rate, some cost. How much amount? Sorry, amount equal to, so 5,000 rupees. Observe guys, here we have decimal values comes, right? Whenever decimal values comes, then it is called as an floating values. Whenever decimal values are available, then it is called as an what is floating value. Integer means without decimal, then it is called as an integer. With decimals, it is called as an floating values. In the same way, character. Just remember character literals. Yes, what is a character literal in the sense? Remember guys, what is a character literal means? Observe, any data, only one character, anything only one character which is enclosed within a single quotation. Anything only one character which is enclosed within a single quotation is called as an what guys? Anything only one character which is enclosed within a single quotation is called as a single character. For example, I'm asking what is your grade? What is your grade? Sir, I got A grade. Very good. Single quotation A. Only one character, whether capital letter, small letter, or some other thing, anything, only one character. Remember guys, anything only one character which is enclosed within a single quotation is called as an character literals. Anything only one character which is enclosed within a single quotation is called as a single character. For example, I'm asking, even if I ask, for example, you mention like this case. Okay, single quotation 5 you mention. Single quotation 5. Guys, 5 is available where? 5 is available where? Within single quotation or without single quotation? Within single quotation or without single quotation? Within single quotation means then it is called as an what? Within single quotation means then it is what as what? Then it is called as a single character constraint. So single character literals. Any data guys, even if we have within a single quotation plus symbol is available. Within a single quotation plus symbol is available. Now it is called as in what? Now it is called as in what? Single character. That's why I said anything only one character which is available within a single character. Then it is called as a single character. Character literal. Sir, I will write like this. I will write like this. Sir, what is I am going to write? Java. Guys, Java is available inside of single quotation. Fine, good. But Java is a single character. Is Java is a single character? So that's why it is error in Java. Java, it is error. In Java, it is error. Sir, I write A plus. What is your blood group? Sir, my blood group is B plus. Single quotation B plus I wrote. Is it valid, guys? I'm writing within single quotation B plus. Is it valid? It is invalid. Sir, this is what? It is also invalid. Only one character which has to enclose within a single quotation. Coming to string. String in the sense, what we have to do, guys? String literals means what I have to do? Anything Guys, observe. Anything, anything which is enclosed within a double quotation. Anything which is enclosed within a double quotation is called as in what, guys? String literal. If I ask what is your name, equal what you say, so name is Venkat. Name is what? Venkat. Observe, Venkat is available within double quotation, right? Now it is called as a string. Anything, once again, anything which is available inside of double quotation, that is called as a what? String, guys. Anything which is available inside of double quotation, that is called as what? String, guys. For example, even I am writing employee ID like this. Employee ID equal to, yeah, so J12A3. This is the employee ID. Employee ID is what? This is the employee ID, because this is Java developer. J12A3 is employee ID. Observe, anything and enclosed within a double quotation. Now it is called as what? String only. Guys, now 123 is string or integer? 123 is string or integer? Pranavi, that is in Python. That is in Python, not in Java. In Java, only double quotation is called as a string. Akhil, double quotation is available. Double quotation is available. Anything if you specify inside of double quotation, then it is called as a string only. Okay, you can write anything, guys, whatever you want, that is called string only. For example, I'm writing door number, sir, within double quote, because door number means obviously this is a combination, right? 7 dash 2 by 4 A hyphen 6 B C or N. Okay, 6 B C. This is the door number. Observe, the combination of letters are available which is enclosed within double quotation. Now it's string, accepted. The value is 100% accepted. This is called string value. So date of birth, sir. Okay. Second hyphen November hyphen 1989. Now observe, guys, a group of data is available within double quotation. Now it is called as what? String only. Anything which is enclosed within a double quotation is called as what? String, guys. Guys, what about 5? What about 5, guys? Single character or character literal or string literal? Character literal or string literal? Dabla, who's that? Smart fellow? Akhil, double quote, double COT, kata. Akhil, don't use WhatsApp messages, okay? WhatsApp you are using like that. Here, don't use like that. What I'm asking, 5 is what? 5 is double quota. It is a string literal, right? Interview time, which question they're asking, that is also important, Akhil. Observe, question observe first, okay? Question observe first, okay? Yeah. Now observe guys, what do we observe? Four things. Okay. Guys, someone video is on. Stop the video. Verify someone video is on. Stop video. Or newly join. Still not able to. Okay. Yeah. And last one is what guys? We have Boolean literal. Remember guys, Boolean literal means very simple. Guys, whenever you are working with any programming language, in order to work with any programming language, yes, we have two values are available guys. Those two values are called as in Boolean values. The Boolean values means what are the Boolean values? True or false. Whenever we are doing programs, especially whenever we are doing programs, we need two types of values guys. Especially these two types of values are used in at the time of conditions times. Okay, based on the result, true, we will perform one operation. Result is false, we will do another operation. Like at that scenario, we have to use it guys. True or false guys, small letters, no single quotation, no double quotation, nothing. These two are fixed names guys. Small letters, nothing. True, small letter. False, small letters. No single, no double quotation. These values are called as what? Boolean literals. These are the values are called as what? Boolean values. M001. True, false are called as in Boolean values. That too small letters only. Guys, understood different types of data? We have different types of data, understood, right? Now in Java, how to declare set? Now same thing in Java, sir. In Java, how to declare these type of data in the sense? Observe. For each and everything, I'm going to give only one example, guys. For example, I want, sir, how to declare, just observe example here. Because we have different things are available to discuss. I will give later. Just observe the example, that's it, okay? Example. If you want to declare integer literals, we have to declare int, because int is a literals, right? That's why int is the default data type. That is called one data type. We have to specify the data type. Is equal to S22 semicolon. This is the way we have to declare, guys. You have to observe, this is the way we have to declare. In this one, guys, in this one, what is integer literal? In this first line, what is integer literal? Very good, guys. In this one, what is integer literal? 22 is called as an integer literal. If you want to declare floating literals, how to declare in Java? Okay, just observe, sir, what is int, what is equal symbol, that we will discuss later. Just observe the example, guys. Floating literal means we have to declare double. In Java, default data type is double. I'm using with default data types, guys. Double. Some product cost or petrol cost equal to 82 rupees 36 paise semicolon. 82 rupees 36 paise semicolon. Double product cost equal to, observe guys here, 82.36 is the floating point literal. Single character, how to declare, how to use. So here the example is char, the default data type is char. Char, gender equal to male or female, whatever you want. Single quotation we have to specify. Specify what guys? Single quotation. Guys, single quotation M is called as in, single quotation M is called as in what? Character literal. Okay. Then remember always guys, here for double type of values, I mean floating literals in Java we have to use floating type of values, we have to use what? Double. Okay, floating type of values we have to use what guys? Double in Java. That is a default guys. This is what default data types. And string literal. So how to declare string literal? Guys, here your focus is what? Data type, no. Your focus is on what? Your values. Observe the example. String literal, right? String. The literal is what, sir? What is the literal we have? For example, employee name equal to double quotation Venkat semicolon. Here what do you have to understand? Oh, Venkat is string literal, M is character literal. Based on the value you have to decide what type of literal is it. Of course, Boolean literal. For Boolean literal, Boolean status equal to true. Yes, your friend is in online. Status is true means your friend is in online. If status is false means your friend is in offline. Guys, remember here, in all I'm using small letters except string, right? Here S is capital letter, guys. S is capital letter. String, in string S capital letter. Remember that point guys. S is a capital letter. Int, double, char, boolean, all are small letters. All are small letters. But string S is capital letter. Okay. Your data, your literals means what? 22, 82.36, M, Venkat, true. This is called your data. This is called what? Your data. Remember, this is called your data. Fine. So your literals are classified into 5 types. Your literals are classified into 5 types. These are the 5 types, guys. Okay, these are 5 types. Guys, observe int, double, char, boolean. These all are called keywords, guys. Already Java provided, we are using. String is one class, guys. One class. Java provided we are using, but string is called class. Okay, what class names? Every class name starting letter is capital letter, guys. That's why S is capital letter. Who said, sir? Java said, we follow, sir. Who said? Java said, we follow. That's it. Okay. Fine. Guys, everyone observe. Take 1 minute time. Observe your answers, the different types of literals. You just focus on the type of the value, that's it. How to declare? How to declare just a type of the values. Any questions, guys, in literals? Guys, don't ask the questions regarding the syntax. Sir, why semicolon you mentioned? That is a rule, I have to follow it. Java said we have to follow it. Sir, why you mention int a is between space? That is a rule I have to follow. Don't ask the rules. Okay. So you can answer 22.0 is available now. Am I consider what? So 22.0, if I have, am I consider integer or floating? Integer or floating? Yes, floating. Okay. Yeah. This is observe guys, int, double, char, so boolean. These all are called as an keywords. Where string is called as an class name. Your age, petrol cost, gender, rename, status. These all are called as an word guys. Some variable names. Variable names. It will come guys. What is age? Sir, instead of age, am I able to give any other name? Yes, we can give. These are some names to identify this value. To identify this value, we are giving some name. To identify this value, we are giving some name. This also we'll discuss. At this point of time, we are at starting level. Just to remember this last word. Only. Your focus is on what? Your focus is on what? Only. These values. Okay. Like this. Now, second one is what guys? Constraints. Okay, subject. Second one is what? Constant. Constant is also one type of literal guys. Constant is also one type of literal. The guys observe. Everyone observe. What is constant guys in general meaning guys? What is the meaning of constant in general meaning? Shouldn't you mention where? Within double quotation, right? If you mention double quotation, then it is called as a string. Then we have to change the name. Instead of char, we have to specify string. I think Chinu is clear. Yes, very good. Constant means is a fixed value which never changes. Very good guys, awesome. Very good, awesome guys, awesome. Means it is also one type of literal. Constants are also one type of literals, but the value is fixed. So simply what is a constant? Simply you can say that constants are called as fixed values. The values which are fixed throughout the program, they are called as in what? The values which are fixed throughout the program, they are called as what? Constants. The values which are fixed throughout the program, they are called as what? Constants. That's it. Guys, do you know any constant value? Any one constant value? Yes, very good. Pi. Yeah, of course, data but never change for person, right? Yeah, good, nice, very good. Gravity, which is a constant. Guys, if you observe, especially whenever we are working with web applications, observe, I am doing some programming, guys. I'm doing some programming. Programming in the sense multiple users interact in the picture, right? Multiple persons interact in the picture, right? Now, whenever multiple users interact in the picture, observe I have value. I have one value, pi value. Pi. What is the pi value, guys? 3.14. Guys, so for first user, it is 3.14. For first user, it is 3.14. I think his screen is visible, right? Yes. Yes, what about the second user? What about second user? Is it same or different? What about third user? Same or different? What about next user? Is it modified in your program? For all users, same value, entire program, the value is fixed, right? In entire program, the value is fixed, right? Now pi is called as in what? Constant value. Now pi is called as a constant value. Guys, what about date of birth? Date of birth is constant. Date of birth, is it constant? Everyone check. Date of birth is constant. For all the members, same date of birth. Different comes. So it is not a constant. It is just a literal. It is literal. For everyone, change it. Now imagine I'm developing application for 10th class students, guys. I'm developing one application for 10th class student. This is 10th class application. Guys, all members are going to write 10th class final exams. Maximum marks, not secured marks, guys. Maximum marks. Guys, what is the maximum marks we are writing in 10th class? Remember your 10th class SSC. No, 10th class, what is the maximum marks for each subject? For each subject. So this is the user which is writing maximum marks as 100. What about the next user? What about the next user? What about the next user? For all user writing 100 only. So is it changed? You are my favorite student, or you are my Bamardi student, my Bamardi son, that's why take 60 paper only exam. For you, my brother-in-law son, that's why you have only 70 marks. Is it anything fine? No, right? For everyone, whatever you are, for all members 100, never change. Secure marks is different. I won't ask you the marks also, don't worry. Secure marks are different, right? Of course, secure marks are always different. Good, fine. So these the type of values are called as in what, guys? Is constant. Constant means fixed values. So in Java, how to declare constant means we have to use, for example, what I said, sir, pi value equal to, what is the value? 3.14. This is a constant value, sir. Very good. Maximum underscore marks equal to 100. This is also constant, the value which is fixed. Fine, very good. But in Java, how to declare these values? In a sense, in Java, how to write? Final. Guys, 3.14 is what type of literal? 3.14 is what type of literal? Floating literal. Floating literal comes, what type of data type we have to use? Float or double in Java? It's not C language, guys. Java default is double. Final, double. 3.14 indicates that what? Which value? If I write double equal to 3. What is the 3.14? It is a pi value. Okay, pi value. Double pi value equal to 3.14 semicolon. Sir, why you write capital letter pi value? The reason is in Java, remember guys, in Java, constant values, if you have any constant values, this is called variable name, guys. This is called variable name, which indicates what is this literal. This indicates that variable name, which indicates that what is this one, which identifies this, what is this one. Always capital letter. So I will mention small letter. Fine, accepted. Fine, accepted. But in software company, not accepted. Guys, your task is writing exams. Your main focus is on what? You are just learning purpose, or you want to job? Your target is what? You want to job, right? In the company, how to work? You have to work in the company, right? In the company, if you want to work, okay. In company, if you want to work, you have to follow the company rules also. No, sir, I won't follow the company rules. I will follow my own rules. I am the monarch. I never follow any other rules. Okay, you will never be enter into software company. You will be there in your home itself. As far as company rules, if you have any constant data values, specify the variable name, specify capital letter, not in small letter. Based on that, ping me guys, what about the maximum marks? Second one, ping me guys, how to declare. Next one, how to declare. Pi value 3.14. In application point of view, I have to declare like this, right? I have to declare like this, right? In the same way, maximum marks equal 100. How can I write? Complete line. Mention complete line. In your application, how to write? Mention complete line. How I mention pi value 3.14? How I write first one? In the same way, second one. In the same way, second one. Write everyone, guys. Everyone, write it. Dattatreya, is it constant or not a constant? If constant is there, we have to use one keyword. What is the keyword? We missed that keyword. Check it. Girikar, check. One keyword is missing. Vijay, check your answer. Manisha, 100 is integer or floating value? Sorry. Okay. Yeah, got it, Manisha. Where is the value, Manisha? Saraswati, 100 is what type of value? Write in one line, guys. Everyone write in one line. Vijay, where is semicolon? That is underscore, guys. Underscore. Sanjana, by default. Okay. Where is the semicolon, Sanjana? Kishore, just now I said constant means what we have to do. Capital letter. Where is the capital letter, Kishore? Final integer type int maximum marks. Max underscore marks equal to 100. This is the company rule. All constants should mention within capital letters only. All capital letters. For all constant we have to mention in capital letters only. This is what your company rule. Every company, guys, whatever the company you are working in, every company, okay, as a developer, programmer, as a programmer, we have to follow like this. 100 is what type of value? Integer type value. Guys, those who want to learn perfectly, those candidate only attend this meeting, guys. Just for the sake of joke purpose coming, 100 is it character value? Sujit, 100 is it character value? Then how can you mention char value? There is a basic responsibilities, guys. Whenever we are explaining some concept in the sense, we have to follow the concept. I clearly explain what is a type, what is a type, what is a type. A lot of time. Silly questions. So again, you are doing silly mistakes, na? That is not resembles your intensity, guys. If you really want to learn, definitely you will follow it. Otherwise, don't attend the meeting. Who said to attend the meeting? If you are sincere, if you want the subject, then only attend the meetings. Otherwise, don't attend. Unnecessary time waste. Because of you, I am spending more time. A clean function 3.14 means double star, 100 means integer clean function. Still some people write final double, double. Why double? 100 is integer type, then how double comes? Some people mention char. How char 100 is character type data? That is silly mistakes you are doing, right? Don't do that type of mistakes, guys. Follow the concept, listen completely. Okay, just sir, 4 o'clock I'm not getting sleep, sir. When I start the class now, then I'm getting sleep, sir. That's why I opened, sir. And I started the class and I'm sleeping, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Where to leave, stupid? What we have to do is we are here to learn the subject. There are a lot of smart fellows are there, guys, who just open it and they're sleeping. In videos, I observe one person, guys. Okay, in video I observe one person. That's why I'm schooling that person, guys. Not for all. You all are very good students, guys. You all are very good students. I know because your target is a software job. You all are very good students. So unfortunately, I said that's why stop video, stop video. Okay, you by mistake or I don't know whether by mistake or else intentionally you open the video. I just saw one person he just sleeping and he just opened the video and he's listening, guys. How stupidly he's doing. Okay, so don't do such things, guys. Okay, yeah, guys, observe. So in tokens are the programming elements. Remember, tokens are the programming elements which are used to develop Java programs. We have 5 types of tokens, guys. Okay, yeah, literals, constant, operators, keywords, identifiers. Of course, we done what, guys? Literals and constants. Operators, keywords, identifiers, pending, right? These are the concepts which we discuss in tomorrow's session. The remaining concept we'll discuss in what? Tomorrow's session.